Linkvertise stuck on loading. In today's video, you are going to learn why is Linkvertise stuck on loading. Watch the video till the end and follow these instructions. The first will be clearing browser cache. Accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with the loading process. Clear them in your browser settings. Number 2. Disable ad blockers. Ad blockers might prevent Linkvertise from functioning properly. Temporarily disable them and try again. You can switch browser. Compatibility issues can arise with certain browsers. Try using a different one like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Number 4. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and not causing delays. You can use a VPN if the issue is region specific. A VPN might help bypass restriction. Check Linkvertise status. Visit their official website or social media channels to see if there are any reported outages. Try another device if the issue persists. Try accessing Linkvertise from a different device or network. That's all. That's how you will be able to solve the issue Linkvertise stuck on loading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.